Lisa. Today I'm here choosing some fabrics and making my summer shower quilt pattern. I'm making the cover quilt, and I chose this fabric before it was released, and now it's finally here. As you might can tell, there are the same fabrics used in this little draft picture as there are in my hand right now. And we are going to take a look, a sneak peek at Glow Garden fabrics from Sarah Watts. This is a layer cake from Ruby Star Society that I have right here. So a whole stack of absolutely glowing 10-inch squares in their new packaging. Let's crack it open. So here's the new packaging close up for Ruby Star Society's layer cakes. This is Glow Garden by Sarah Watts. And this is new packaging because they have them all flat now with their cardboard backing. Notion to rise, love it. Their old packaging for the layer cakes, the 10-inch squares, was kind of a roll-up, which I do love, and honestly, I can fit it in one of my little fabric drawers and it fits in there perfectly. But I do like that you don't have to press these at all before you start cutting into them. These ones you did because they're all rolled up and they've got a rubber band around them, so you're gonna have creases. So this is gonna take a lot less work to just get into it. So in my sample quilt, you can see here, I'm planning to use the Art Gallery linen blend, and this is in vintage denim as my background. And this pattern has an alternate block where we've got these little juicy wet blocks that are kind of a 3D cartoony raindrop and with a little white accent fabric that you can see. And I would recommend using solids or kind of solid reading blenders for that. So I picked out some solids that are gonna go with these Glow Garden fabrics. So we'll get to the Glow Gardens in just a second, but I chose these are all Art Gallery solids. I chose electric lime. You can see it goes with that one right there. And I chose hydrangea, which goes really well. And the Art Gallery fabric Foxglove goes perfectly with this sort of fox color here, but I didn't have any of that. So I'm using amethyst because you gotta make do. You gotta make do with what you have. So I think those are really nice, and I'll probably substitute in, since I don't have any foxglove, I'll substitute in some of the macaron speckled from Ruby Star Society. Because I obviously have a huge quantity of that, because look at that color, why would I get less? And this is the Warp and Weft hue from Alexia Abeg, one of the cross weaves, and this is in Wave, I believe. I think a really good recommendation that I can make to Ruby Star Society is to put some little selvages on their cross weaves, because I would like to know exactly what shade this is. So let's get to the main event. Cracking it open, so exciting. It's our Glow Garden label. Okay, I've turned up the light a little bit because these colors, I want to show the full effect. So we're gonna have duplicates of some of these. Blammo. This, your eyes are not deceiving you. It really is that neon. I don't know how they do it. I'm so glad that there's doubles of that one. So glad there's doubles of this one. This is the mushroom print that I think I might need to get yardage of. These little neon dots. Got the hot pink spider webs. Glow Garden. Love the climbing vines. Love the neon accents. Are you seeing these? Glowing. climbing vine with the neon background, with the electric lime background. Let me show it with the electric lime next to it, actually. And that's with the hydrangea. Now with this pattern, if you have double blocks like this, you can actually make the alternative juicy blocks with, if you have two. You cannot make them from just one 10-inch square, but this one has a perfect amount of doubles if I wanted to do that. Glowing. All right, I think we need another close-up. It's my special effects right there. The nighttime climbing vines. You can tell I'm seeing these for the first time. This is my unfiltered reaction to these colors. Okay, that's another yardage print right there. Gonna have to go find some yardage. Maybe that could even be a great backing for this quilt. I love the texture of this one. All right, I won't stop and do a close-up. I'll save you. And look at that color. Okay. I think we've got another yardage print there. All right. Okay, bye friends. Thank you for joining me. I hope you will consider buying the Summer Shower pattern when it comes out. I will put the link below. Is that what people say? Is that how people end these things? Video's over now. Bye.